The JM-3055 packs the power to clear your most stubborn stoppages. Its 3,000 psi, 5.5 gallon per minute pump with Vibra-pulse provides the thrust to pull the hose around bends and down long runs, the pressure to cut through tough stoppages, and the flow to flush them away. It's driven by a 480cc engine with electric start. A removable 300-foot capacity hose reel mounts on a heavy-duty frame with 4 pneumatic tires. It's well-balanced and easy to maneuver. Just push down on the handle to tip it back and roll it to the job site. Water jets use a stream of high-pressure water that hits the stoppage and flushes it away. The thrust of the jet nozzle drives the hose down the line and gives you wall-to-wall cleaning action. High-quality pumps and engines, mounted on sturdy frames, sending the water surging through heavy-duty jet hose and stainless steel nozzles, with features and accessories to clear stubborn grease clogs, blast through debris-choked lines, and cut through impossible ice blockages. That's General's Jet Set. With a wide range of models to choose from, General has a jet to fit your needs in almost any situation. For more information, call the Drain Brains at General. General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.